Good day, dear students. I am Pinky Suhail, your science teacher of class 5. Welcome to another class of science. Today, we will learn about biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials and the measures to reduce pollution from Unit 13, Environmental Pollution, page 118. This is a part 2 of this lesson. Students, before starting today's topic, we will recall few points about environmental pollution. We need clean water and air to live. Waste that is not properly dealt with cause pollution. Some waste can be recycled. The earth is polluted in different ways like air, land, noise, water and light pollution, and this pollution causes diseases and other problems. All living things depend on each other. In this lesson, we will learn what is biodegradable and what is non-biodegradable. First, we will learn about biodegradable. Biodegradable waste materials that may dissolve fully or partially when contacting the living organism or decomposes themselves are called biodegradable material. When a bird dies or a leaf falls off a tree, it eventually decomposes. This means that is broken down by bacteria and fungi into simple components like water, carbon dioxide and plant nutrients. This is nature's own way of recycling materials. We call such materials biodegradable. The origin of any biodegradable material is a living thing, such as a plant or an animal. Few examples of biodegradable materials are wood, leaves, cotton, cork, paper and vegetable scraps. These are biodegradable materials. Now we will move on to non-biodegradable. Not all waste products are biodegradable. When something cannot decompose or decay for many years, we call it non-biodegradable. For examples, things made of metal, ceramic, foam and glass are non-biodegradable materials. Here, students, we can recycle the waste that do not compose. Materials which do not decompose can be recycled in different ways like bottles can be crushed as the glass can be used again. Newspaper and other kinds of paper can be pulped and made into card and cardboard. Tin, steel and metals can be melted and recycled. Sometimes we find other ways to use such materials, for example, in new structures. Reducing pollution. How can we reduce? There are number of things you can do. There are number of things you can do to reduce pollution. Remember the 3 R's. What are 3 R's? Reduce, reuse and recycle. Recycle as much as possible. Plant more trees. When possible, use public transport, walk or ride a bicycle. Dispose of all your waste properly. Never throw into water. Find out where your waste is going. Campaign for better waste management. Can you think of more ways to reduce pollution? Now we will learn about the 3 R's. We can keep our environment clean by reducing waste, reusing old things, and making new things out of old ones, or recycling. Remember the 3 R's. First we will see what is reduce. Reduce. If we reduce the amount of things we buy and use, we will have less to throw. Less to throw away. Here are some suggestions. Student, listen carefully. Turn off the air conditions, lights and fans when you leave a room. Do not buy things you do not need. Use cloth instead of paper as napkins to clean things. Avoid disposable items. Buy things that will last for a long time. Let's learn about reuse. Keep using the same thing as many times as we can. Here are the suggestions to reuse the things. Use old jars and pots to store things. Use waste paper to make notes and then send it to a recycling center. Make compost with vegetable waste and garden waste. Use rechargeable batteries. Donate all equipments to charities or other organizations. Now student, how to recycle. Find new ways to use old things. Paper, plastic, glass, cardboard and aluminum cans are recyclable. Suggestions are: find out about recycling and recycle as much as possible. Buy products made from recycled items. Buy items made of recyclable materials such as products in glass jars rather than non-recyclable materials. In end, students, it is informative for you to read Environmental Watch carefully from book page 122, but here is written 118. Student, read page 118 for Environmental Watch carefully. You can read 122 page also. Do homework. Answer the following questions. You can see your homework on your screen. Question number 1. What does decompose mean? Question number 2. Give any 2 examples of biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Question number 3. Write 3 things that you can do to reduce pollution. Students, do homework on your class copy. Write your correct name and class on it and submit in school office on every Tuesday. Okay students, bye bye, stay home, stay safe, thank you.